You mean these are the only things left in the shop?
Yes, ma'am.
What about the warehouse?
It's empty as well.
Not the plan. You promised. You promised to always be here to protect me. You said we were going to be together forever. Remember the promise you made to your mother and your sisters. Please. You just have to wake up. Wake up from this coma. You need to fight. So you could fulfill all the promises you made to me. Please, Phil. There is nothing left to sell anymore. Where do I get 12 million naira from? Who do I run to? Who do I talk to? My love. Please. Please don't leave me. Your mother needs you. Your sisters needs you. Even the community. The orphans who you care for so much, what do I tell them? The widows who will they call their husband? Even the children you pay their fees are about to be sent out of school. You are the very air that I breathe. I don't think I can survive on earth without you. Please, Phil. Please.
What have I done wrong? Who have I offended? Shimo Zanuba. Is it a crime to do good? To help the poor ones? Shimo Zam Zam Zam. Inozikwaya. Inozikwaya. Chimo. Chimo. I'm so confused. Come to my aid, Lord.
Hello?
Good day.
Who's this?
It's Angela, Philip's wife.
Oh, madam, good afternoon. How are you doing? I heard what happened. I've been meaning to call.
Mr. Ifeanyi, that's not the reason I called. I need to get the money you owe my husband.
What money are you talking about?
My husband said you owe him 1 million naira. And from the credit book I have here with me, it shows that you still owe the shop 200 and something thousand naira as well.
Look, I understand that your husband was having some financial difficulties. And it's only normal for him to fabricate lies to cover up money that he squandered. What I will not tolerate is him insinuating that I owe him.
Mr. Ifeanyi, please. I would not have you speak about my husband in that manner. You're such an ingrate.
Madam, with all due respect, what I owe your husband is 250,000 naira for the goods I collected on credit. I don't know anything about the 1 million naira you just mentioned. Unless you are referring to the 1 million naira he gave me as settlement. In appreciation for what my father did for his ungrateful ass when his father died.
What? Ifeanyi, what nonsense are you spitting? Ifeanyi, please, please. I do not have the luxury of time, so please spare me this joke. Your cousin Phil is lying critically ill in the hospital. His life is on the line. I need the money you owe him. And you're here telling me about settlement or what?
Madam, I will send one of my boys to bring 250,000 right now to your shop. Please, so don't call this number again, else I will put you in a worse situation than your husband.
Ifeanyi, thunder will fire you. The Holy Ghost fire will strike you wherever you are. You will eat that money and you will die with it. I swear to God, you will not die a good death. My God will fight for you, except I don't serve a living God. Hello? Ifeanyi? Jesus Christ. People are so mean. Hi. Mr. Fidel Izoko. Good day, it's Angela, Philip's wife. So I want to say a very big thank you for agreeing to see me, even with the short notice I give to you.
Haba, I've told you to stop thanking me. You look very worried. How is Philip doing today?
That's the reason I'm here, sir. The doctor said that he will need some...
I have told you to stop calling me sir. My name is John. Inugo, did you hear me?
I'm sorry.
It's okay.
I'm sorry, Mr. John. But the doctor said my husband's health is degenerating every day. And he needs another surgery, a life-saving surgery.
Like seriously? It means that Philip is still in coma.
Yes, he's still in coma. His case is getting worse. The doctor said he needs to be flown abroad for surgery and...
Abroad?
And it's going to cost about 12 million naira. So as I'm talking to you, we don't have that kind of money. Philip's business was already having crisis before the accident. So I can't even boast of 500,000 naira out of the 12 million naira needed for the surgery.
12 million naira, okay. I mean, how are we supposed to raise 12 million naira in this hard time?
I'm not asking for the whole money. Anything you can help me with is fine.
It's okay. I want you to understand that nothing will happen to Philip. And I will do my best. I will try my best to write a check of 500,000 naira.
Hey!
Yes.
Thank you, sir. God bless you. May God bless you. God will continue to bless you all the days of your life, sir. Thank you.
I have told you to stop calling me sir. John is my name. Or you can call me Jay for short. Okay? And I even promise to do more in the future. That is, if you comply.
Thank you. Thank you, sir. My family and I are very grateful. Thank you for your generosity. God bless you.
Please stop thanking me. Like I said, I will raise you a check of 500,000 naira tomorrow at the Garden Suite Hotel.
Sir, I don't understand. Why do I need to come to the hotel to collect the money?
Can you just stop behaving like a child? I mean, a beautiful woman like you should not be suffering for a man who chooses to be throwing his money around all in the name of trying to help the poor. No. You know, your husband used to think that we are the devil. And that he is the angel. Now play the game of an angel. Yeah.
Get your pretty hands off me. You're just a dirty old fool.
Me?
Yes, you are a fool. Because I came here for help. Rubbish. You can swallow your money if you want to.
Angela, am I the one you're talking to?
Let me tell you this. My husband is an angel. And you are a beast and a demon.
All right. All right. Jide.
Get out! I had to call myself because I need to tell you this face to face. The doctor said they will be needing about 10 million naira for Phil's surgery. That is excluding travel costs. So, give or take, what you are looking at is about 12 million naira.
12 million naira.
Yes.
Hey! Phone mo. Hey!
Where do we get that kind of money from? How do we raise 12 million naira? Hey, that amount is ridiculous. It is just too much. too much.
Chuku.
It just came over my God. God. Why? God. Why have you forsaken me? Why? Hey!
Mama, it's okay. Crying will not bring Phil back. It won't change anything. I mean, I have cried a river. I don't even know what else to do but to look up to God. There is nothing I haven't done to get money for Phil's surgery. I have gone to his friends, his enemies, his debtors, everybody I know that Philip knows or who knows Philip. I have gone to these people. Nobody wants to do anything. Mama, I have sold everything sellable. There is nothing left in the shop. I had to lock up the shop because we couldn't pay the only sales boy and sales girl remaining. Mama, what I have been through these past few days, I don't even wish it on my enemy. Hi. I was able to raise 900,000 naira. And that's it. The devil wants to steal my joy. My enemies are at work.
Ya Baraka. Ya Baraka.
Mama, Phil will not die. Nothing will happen to my husband. I have spoken to God about this. He is going to be fine.
Nothing will happen to my son. Nothing will happen to your husband and nothing will happen to you. First thing tomorrow morning I will go to his uncle's. Don't worry. I will put up all our lands up for sale. Philip bought some land here in the village too. At least we can get a considerable sum. Oh? Though village land don't have that much value. But now you get better something. Believe me. Believe me.
I need to leave tomorrow morning.
Tomorrow?
Yes, because I left everything under Chidima's care. I don't know how she'll wake up and I need to go back to her.
Somebody rock. Somebody rock. Angela, I will bring the money I saved from my NYSC. No, it is nothing. But it's something. Let's just try and save my brother. He's my only brother. He's my only brother. It is well with my soul.
God bless you.
It is well with my soul. It is well. It is well.
It is well with our soul, with our soul. Mama, I need to leave before the first bus leaves.
Hell, so Wajira. Oh, I went to inform Maziani and the Maz will be that I want to sell some of our lands. Yeah? To help with my son's medical bills.
Mama, hope you told them it's urgent. Because it takes forever to see land buyers in this village.
I did. I want for no get engaged. Yes.
Mama, it's okay. And thank you for your efforts. Everything will be fine. Let's just hope for a miracle.
Right, yeah.
But most importantly, Mama, I need you to take care of yourself.
I need you to take things easy. Stop thinking because of your BP. I will not. Yeah.
And remember what I said, stop thinking.
I will not. You may minimize the thinking. Oh my dear. When you get to the city, tell me, I'll be waiting for your call. If I'm about to get in Azu. Oh. Wow.
Let me help you. Where is my brother today? Sorry. Jesus.
It's fine. How are you?
I'm fine. I brought food for you.
Jima, Biko, I'm not in the mood for food, eh? I don't want to eat. Moreover, I sent you home to rest, not to cook.
Auntie, you have to eat something. Since yesterday you have been eating. Do you want to start to death? Eh?
Jima, I cannot be talking about food when my husband is lying helplessly here.
I know, but you have to eat something. Eh? If you starve yourself to death now, who will take care of your husband? Eh? Would you be here when he wakes up? Eh? Besides, my brother will not be happy if I don't take care of his friend.
Okay. Okay. I will eat small because of you, just to make you happy.
Eat small.
Yeah. You even filled up the flask.
Okay, eat as much as you can eat. Oh?
Brother! No! Call the doctor! Please, no, sir! Stay with me. Pico, I'm begging you. Don't do this to me, Philip! Please, don't do this to me, Philip!
Madam, I hate to break it to you, but your husband has no luxury of time. This seizure indicates that the injury has not really healed. Okay?
I don't understand any of this, doctor. How do you mean?
Madam, your husband needs immediate medical attention. And it means he needs the surgery urgently. With each seizure, the chances of him recovery reduces by 5%. Madam, if we don't hurry, your husband will turn into a vegetable for the rest of his life.
God forbid it, doctor. God forbid. My Lord will not allow that to happen.
Madam, you need to hurry. Your husband needs immediate medical attention, which unfortunately we cannot give to him. We are only watching over him.
Doctor, please. I just need little time. Just little time. I will try and get the money.
It is not in my power to give more time.
Jesus. Jesus.
I'm sorry, madam, but at this point, there's nothing else we can do.
baby, you're the chineke konyere gafo. Hello, Anjo. Anjo, Mama.
Hello, Mama. Good afternoon.
Hey, Anjo, how are you?
Mama. I'm fine.
My dear, if we're going to go once here to Helen, I called your line in the morning, but it was not connecting. Kede kono me Philip one.
Mama, I'm sorry. I saw your missed call when I came back from the doctor's office. I couldn't call back because I didn't have airtime on my phone. Mama, Philip's case is getting worse by the day. In fact, he had a seizure this morning.
Huh? Seizure? Angela, which one is seizure?
Mama, calm down. Philip is still alive, okay? Seizures are like convulsion. Ini Edo.
Convulsion? How can somebody in coma be having convulsion? Is it normal?
Yes, Mama, it is possible. But the problem is that this is very, very dangerous to his spine injury. And the doctors say the more time he waits, the less his chances of survival.
Hey! If one more. Angela. Pico. They have not gotten any buyer since then. See, Maziana said that the only one that showed interest will be coming next week to inspect them. Oh, Pico. Tell the doctor to, hang on. Omali will keep them, your name. Pico, what?
Child, Mama, next week will be too late. Next week is late. The doctor said the more time we waste, the chances of him surviving reduces by 5% every day. And Mama, the proceeds from that land won't even be enough for the surgery. What do we do?
Mama Keyo! When am I disappointed?
I'm tired. I'm out for me and men. I don't know what is going on. Some group of widows came in the morning to pray for him.
Yes.
They brought an envelope of 30,000 naira. I have given it to you. Come on to God pay into your account. Mama, don't worry, but Amana, please. You have to manage it. Tell the doctor.
It's okay. Ebezina, my husband will not die. God will not let anything happen to him. Oh, Biko, don't cry again.
Mama. Hello, Angela. Mama Keyo. Mama. Hey, Mama, Emery, you're not worried. Mama, it's okay. Mama, be good.
What do I owe this visit? I hope all is well. Because we hardly see you around here.
No, all is not well. Something bigger than me is after me.
Something bigger than you. Talk to me, what is going on?
No, Philip. Philip, my son. He's in life or death condition. He was involved in a fatal motor accident.
Are you saying that Philip had an accident? Nobody told me about it.
No, I'm sorry about that. I thought it's something we could handle initially, but things went beyond my financial capacity.
Biko. Biko. I want you to help me. Help us.
What kind of help are we talking about?
Nai, please. I want you to loan me 1 million naira or 500,000.
1 million naira?
Or 500,000.
Where do I get that type of money?
Nai, I know it's a huge sum. I know you can do it. Biko, like I said earlier, I am sorry not to have told you. See, Biko, I am going to give you one of our land as collateral. Hold the land. Give me the money so that you know your money is safe. Whenever I bring the money back, I can collect the land, Biko.
Don't worry. Philip, or wine, I want to log it. Don't bother yourself. What will happen is that I will see what I can do. I will discuss with my son. Come back in a week time. You know, I break my heart when I see you shedding tears.
Hey, 1 week, Erika. 1 week will be too late. Maybe.
You see, I don't like doing something. After all, it's a disrespect to me not to inform me that Philip had an accident. But that is apart. It have to be 1 week.
I thought it's something I could handle. Biko, help me. Biko, Kene, I am begging you.
Come back in a week's time. Let me see what I can do. Philip, I want to look at it. Don't worry, just come back in a week's time, you know.
You said 1 week.
1 week, yes.
I'm sorry to not have told you. No, 1 week, Eteka. 1 week will be too late. But if you said it's 1 week, then it's 1 week.
Or pepper soup. You name it, don't worry. Don't worry, I got the channel. You know? Got the channel. Or you can go mad. You know? You don't be like I know. I got them, you know?
Thank you. No, you're going to be 500,000.
I'm going to go. So that you will not be sick. So you can take care of him, you know? Nonsense. So this boy that carries himself like a messiah in this place don't even have money. A little problem of 1 million naira, you are now running helter-skelter looking for. To tell you. 1 million naira indeed. After 1 week you come back, maybe you another 7 months.
What have I done wrong? Who have I offended? She knows I know more. Is it a crime to do good?
So,
To
how
help
did it
the
go?
poor ones? She knows some.
Mama. Mama. Why are you crying?
I'm so confused.
Mama, what is it? Mama, what? Mama, Mama! Mama, what is it? Mama! 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 No, Mama!
Where are you, God? Bia, bia, Sanomo. Matalomo senye maka oju.
Yes, Ifeoma.
Angela, what has happened?
What is it? Ogini, what has happened?
Mama collapsed this morning. Her blood pressure was so high that she got admitted. Immediately we got to the hospital.
Oh, God, Jesus. Not again, Lord Jesus. How is she?
They are still monitoring her blood pressure at the moment and administering drugs.
What happened?
Angela, ever since you told Mama about the seizure, she has not been herself. She could not sleep all through the night. My mother has not eaten since yesterday. Okay, this morning, she went out to borrow money from someone, but I doubt if she succeeded because she came home crying. The truth is that all these are weighing her down. She has not been herself.
How did I make this mistake? How did I make this? I shouldn't have told her. Eh? Considering how fragile her health is, this is all my fault.
Angela, please stop. Stop! It is not your fault. Yes, I know what you are passing through. I understand. But please, let's not tell Mama about any of this henceforth. Else we will lose her before Brother Philip gets well.
Okay. I won't. Just keep me posted on the progress, okay? When Dima comes, I'll let her know.
It's okay, I will. Thank you very much and do take care of yourself.
Alright, bye.
Okay, bye.
I know you can hear me. I know you can hear every word I am saying. Philip, everybody is worried. Your mother is worried, sick about you. Philip, I am worried and broken. Please. Please. I know you are a fighter. You are a winner, my love. Fight for us. Fight for me. Please. God. You said we should ask and we would receive. On my knee this day, I ask for your miracle.
auntie.
Timma, what is it?
Yes, auntie. Mother had another sister. But doctors have stabilized him. They say there's nothing much they can do for him. Auntie, what do we do? They say the boy is in our court. Eh?
I'll call you back.
Okay, okay.
I have served you all my life. Your son Jesus has been my father. And I believe every word. Why would this happen to me? Why would this happen to Philip? Philip is a good man. A man who has lived by your words all his life. When his neighbors were hungry, he gave them food. When they were thirsty, he gave them water. To the homeless, he sheltered. The poor and even the sick, he cared for all his life. Why is this happening to him? Philip is the only friend and family I have. You want him to be taken away? You just want to take his life? This is the man you brought my way when my life was at its lowest. He is the only thing that means everything to me. Listen, I don't care. I don't care what you or Ariokma has to say. But I will not let my husband die. I will not let his life be taken away same way my mother's life was taken. I won't let it happen. I will do everything to save my husband's life. I don't care. I don't care how you or your son feels. I don't even care if it brings doom upon my life. At least I tried. I tried.
How are you? Fine. Please, I want to get Alaji's number.
Alaji's?
Yes, Alaji Sani.
Okay. How is everything? Fine. Yeah, I know that yet. It's 3.
Hello? Alaji, hello? This is, Nurse Angela. Yes, sir.
Where have you been, go? 2 days ago, I've never seen you go. I am so sorry for getting you sacked, go. That useless MD Nako, he sacked you. And I asked you, lie. I've never for one day, go. Told him anything, go. I'm very, very sorry, you're sacking Naki, go.
No, sir, I should be the one apologizing to you for the way I treated you the last time.
You have made my day one lie. I can't believe the nyanya of my heart is calling me on phone after a very, very long time to Yaya Day. How are you doing?
Alaji, I'm not fine. Remember you said I could call you anytime I needed your help.
Of course, Nyariana. You say anything, Gaskia, it will become yours. To happen again, brother. Say it and I will do it for you.
Okay, my husband was involved in a ghastly motor accident, and they said he needs to undergo surgery. And this surgery requires lots of money.
What is so sorry about that? This is not something we should discuss on phone. Come to my hotel suite by 8 p.m. We will find a way out and a solution there. That we someone able to go. That we only go.
Okay, sir.
One phone number naki go.
Yes, sir.
Phone number naki to go light layout. Separate the number I will call you with the number. Obey tomorrow. I will send you the address. Yes. I am so happy hearing from you. Yariana. Don't worry. Come say I will take very, very good care of you. To what to shake him. To say now what is to say?
All right. I don't know if you can hear me. But the doctor said you can. And I know you won't approve of what I'm about to do. But you don't have a choice. Neither do I. It's been almost 2 years since my mom died. And I'm yet to forgive myself for not doing anything to save her life. Be it good or bad. Thank God you came into my life at the time you did. Else I would have killed myself if my mother hadn't gotten any treatment at all. I refuse to bury you, Philip. I know you might hate me when you wake up, knowing what I'm about to do. But I would rather live with your hate than watch you die loving me. I don't know what will happen to me tomorrow. I just want you to find a place in your heart to forgive me. I love I am not doing this for myself. I'm doing it for your family, your community, everybody who loves you. I don't want this insanity I'm about to bring to myself be in vain. Phil, I need you to fight. I need you to fight so hard. God, I'm scared. I'm so scared. Please forgive me. Please forgive me. I love you.
Okay. How do you do? That like is all. Sit up. Sit down.
Thank you.
Okay. I was surprised to hear your call yesterday. Nachi, too, look at Nyanya and I followed you. No way. You called me, I was very, very surprised. Kuma, that hospital, I have stopped going there. To the IG, I heard that you were sacked. I stopped going there.
Alaji, I wasn't sacked. I quit.
You wasn't sacked, Kuma? Not the way you are sacked. I MD Nakin now, managing director Nakin now, gaskiya shege ne. Barawuni, wallahi. Criminally, wallahi. Yeah? I never complained that you are doing bad to me, never. I never complained you are bad to me. Oh, may I say, Naji, sak, Naji, why saking Naki na me? Wallahi, I felt very, very bad when I had it. Too bad more. Please forget my manners. What would you care for? Oh, you would join me to take this one? I know you'll be surprised to see Alhaji Usman Sani Damba taking this one. I come to get glass for you, go. Okay. Why now waiting? Waiter. Sir. Waiter, get a glass cup for me, go. Okay. Get a glass cup for me, go. Hey, guys, so, Puma is long time before. It's long time.
It's salad.
Thank you, sir. And,
thanks.
Sir, put for you. Go. Go. Aisha.
Thank you.
Now you look troubled. You look beautiful ever. What is the problem there? Can we make them up? Sorry, if you don't want this one, go make order. Go to tell me you want something different. Huh?
No, it's okay. It's just that I'm not used to this.
To shaking.
Alaji, please, I really need your help. My husband was involved in an accident and a surgery needs to be done on him because he had a spinal injury. And the doctor said its surgery will cost 12 million naira. Alaji, we don't have that kind of money. My husband's containers were seized in the wharf some months ago. We've tried everything possible to get it, but we couldn't. Alaji, please, I'm begging you. I really need your help. I don't want to be a widow at a young age. Please.
Naji, it's okay. Carry it down. Kiche, 12 million naira, $12 million.
12 million naira.
12 million naira. 12 million naira is a battery change. It's a small change. You cannot have somebody like Alhaji Usman Sanidan Baba, like me. That money is nothing. I will give it to you today. Go back. I will give it to you.
Hey, yes. Thank you.
Thank you so much. God bless you. Don't worry yourself. Sit down, Zona. Sit down. Carry it down.
Sit.
Yes. So,
thank you.
Is a small thing. Kuma, if you'll accept to be my fifth wife, Matanana Biaro. 12 million naira is nothing. My wives used to go to shoppings with more than 12 million naira. And Kuma, if you accept, I will take you around the world, make these shoppings for you, buy you expensive things. Go back. Go.
I can't do that. Where I come from, it's a sacrilege to divorce your husband. But if you give me the money, I can be your mistress. Please.
So, let me give you 5 million naira. Yes, go. Just Bani account number. Okay? Bani one. Let me give you 5 million naira. Use it.
5 million.
5 million naira. Use it. Call me your account number.
03 810 64 818.
Which bank?
Echo Bank, sir.
Huh?
Alaji, thank you so much. Thank you. God bless you. God will replenish your pockets. God bless you, sir. Thank you.
I carry it down. Carry it down. I have done this one. Go. I have done part of my own baggage. Go back. Soul and Naki is remaining your own. Go. Go. Yenzu, if you allow me to dip and test that thing, then I'll sort into me. Wallahi, the lie, I will do a lot for you. Go back. To Yenzu, let us go to upstairs. Go. Go upstairs. Wallahi. Go. Let's go upstairs. Go. Go. Ayo zaji dadi. Yarinya mai kyau. Ayo zaji dadi. Ai shiga mana. Shiga mana, shiga. Aduh, wayu Allah. Kai. Wayu. Zaji dadi yo. Sit down mana. Kai. Acin giyo zaji dadi. Kai. Kai. Nyanya mai kyau. Ga ke a hannun Alhaji yau. I've been looking for this man. Kai. Ayo zaji dadi. Let me keep it here for you, man. Let me keep it here for you, man. Okay? Come, man. Kiss over, man. Haba. Kiss.
Alaji, let me, I need to take my bath first. Let me just freshen up and then I'll come back to the bed.
I kissed him long time ago. Now, I depend this thing, man. Eh? Nah.
Let me freshen up. I'll feel more comfortable when I'm done.
Yakina hakane. Eh? Kill it, man. Eh? Make you know what I'm now. I like haka. I don't care. Eh? I don't like it haka. Can you watch and nashi man? Come on, old but I live then so shaka.
Let me just freshen up. I'll come out.
You. Come on, man. I want it haka, man. Go home, come on, old but I live there.
No. I couldn't believe you got the whole money. Miss Yopum. Not until Dimma called on phone this morning to tell me they were leaving that I believed it. Hey! Oh, so, how was Philip doing before they left?
He was still in the same coma condition, the way you saw him the last time.
Yeah. Dimba.
Mama, it's okay. I believe in the next few days things will change.
Oh, yeah? Man, Angel, I must be honest. I am not relaxed. Are you sure that Dimma can take care of my son properly? You should have informed me when you decided that you were not going with them.
Mama, it is not an issue. Dimma will do a good job. She is more than capable. Dimma has been with me since my husband fell ill. She knows his condition very well. So she'll be able to handle things, okay?
Oh no, Kapeka. No, Kapeka.
Mama, it's okay.
Iwe wokwana gị. Ịma na asị na ajụ wee li.